Hey everyone, Dustin here from Meridian Media. Today, I wanted to show you how to create a really simple but effective ghost effect using just your camera, a tripod, and some editing software. I'll be working in Adobe Premiere Pro, but feel free to use whatever software you're comfortable with. This technique is pretty universal. To start, you'll need to find a good location and frame your shot. Once you've found the setup you like, put your camera on a tripod and make sure all your settings and positions are locked in. This is important because we need consistency between our shots to pull off the effect. Today I'm going to be using the Canon C70 and I'm shooting at 120 frames per second. I find that slow motion really helps sell the ghostly vibe, but you can experiment with different frame rates and see what works best for you. Next, we're going to record a clean slate. This just means recording the scene with nothing happening. No actors, no movement, just let the camera roll for a bit. This clean slate will be our base layer in the editing process. It's like capturing an untouched version of your background, which we'll build on later. Next, without moving your tripod or adjusting any settings, let's get into our ghost costume and record the ghost part of the effect. Go ahead and move around in your costume, trying different movements. Slow and creepy usually works best for that ghostly effect. Just make sure to stay within the frame you've already locked in. Now that we've got our footage, let's head into Premiere Pro. You'll want to start by dropping your clean slate footage into the timeline as the base layer. Then drag your ghost footage on top of it. With your layers in place, the next step is masking. Using the opacity tools, we're going to draw a mask around the ghostly figure to isolate it from the rest of the scene. Since I don't want my legs in the shot, I'm going to create a ghost-shaped mask to fit the look. You can play around with the mask expansion and feathering to get the look you want. The feathering is important because it'll soften the edges and make your ghost blend into the background better. It's also great to add some keyframes to the opacity so the ghost fades in and out of visibility, which gives it that classic ghostly feel. To make the animation smooth, make sure you ease in and ease out of your keyframes. This keeps the effect from looking too abrupt and helps it feel more natural. Last but not least, we can color grade the footage to give it that spooky atmosphere. You can make things darker, cooler, or perhaps desaturate the footage a little bit, whatever fits the mood. And of course, adding some really eerie music can help complete the effect. And there you have it, a simple but effective ghost effect that you can create with just a few tools. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more filmmaking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.